Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and here's a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Carme or Carme. Not entirely sure how to pronounce it. The Lenovo Carme is a pretty interesting smartwatch that just launched here in India. This is actually a really interesting smartwatch because there's a heart rate monitor with 24-hour heart rate and health status monitoring. There's a sleep monitor, there's a weather forecast, of course, there's smart notifications, a step counter, alarm reminder, and you can also search for your phone. And on top of all of that, it's also IP68 waterproof. That's pretty cool. So technically, you could go for a swim with this smartwatch. And before we go on to the rest of this unboxing video, let me quickly announce that I'm actually giving away not one, but two of the smartwatches on my channel. Alright, I'm giving away one on Instagram and one on Twitter. To apply on Twitter, all you have to do is just reply to my tweet. I'll put the thumbnail and the link right below. All you have to do is reply to that tweet with your favorite feature of the Lenovo Carme and basically the reason why you want to win one. And if you want to take part on Instagram instead, all you have to do is find this post on my Instagram account and just leave a comment tagging two of your friends who might be interested in the Lenovo Carme. So yeah, pretty easy way to take part. All you have to do is leave a comment on my Instagram account or leave a comment on my Twitter post. Don't forget, you have to be following me, otherwise you don't count. This is really only for my followers, yeah? Alright, so yeah, let's quickly unbox this and see what you get in this box. Alright, first up, I'm gonna slide it out of the sleeve. Open up the box, and there you have the Lenovo Carme. Pretty cool looking smartwatch. Actually does look quite nice. It's a little bit boxy though, so I'm not really sure. You might either love this or hate it, but it's interesting that you get something of this quality at this price range. It's quite nice actually. Alright, I'm going to put this aside for now so that I can check out what else you get in there. Packaging, you have this charger. It's actually quite a large charger, but it's also really good. So you won't lose this charger. I've lost a lot of other chargers for smart bands because they're so small. At least this way I won't lose this charger. It also holds the watch in this little grip here, so that's pretty interesting. Hopefully won't require that too much because of the battery life. And lastly, you just have the user manual, so you can check out how to use your Lenovo Carme. Alright guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Carme or Carme, depending on how you pronounce it. As always, if you guys have any questions about the smartwatch, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget, this is a giveaway, so you can win one or two. All you have to do is leave a comment on that Instagram post or on that Twitter post of mine. And seriously, you have to be following me, alright? I'm going to be checking this. Don't forget, if you like this video, maybe hit the like button below and subscribe if you want to see more giveaways on this channel. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.